Hello everyone, in this video we will go over how to stake GDT tokens on Globe Exchange. Now first thing you'll want to do is log in, and if you don't have an account, make sure you sign up. So I will go ahead and log in now. Once you've logged in, it will take you to the trading interface, and here you have many different options to trade your futures contracts, but for staking we will click on the drop down menu on top right. You'll see many options. The one we're looking for is staking, which is right here. So click on that. It'll take you to the staking interface where you see the different staking products, your current staking positions, and staking history. So you can, if you'd like to stake, then you can click one of these staking products. Take you to the in-depth interface where you can change the duration of the amount you want to stake. So with the options we have here, the longer you stake, the higher the APY, and you can enter the amount you'd like to stake. In this case, I've staked it all, so I only have 0.1 GDT. Well, barely more than 0.1 GDT left, and you can just click I have read the Globe staking agreement, and then confirm stake. But it looks like the minimum has to be at least 1. But if you don't have enough GDT in your balance like here, then you would want to deposit more into the exchange, and this is how you do it. So you would click on the drop down menu, click on account details here, or you can also click account details, the interface, very left hand side. So if you click on it, see your current balance is on the exchange. One of the options is GDT, and if you have the GDT already, then you can select deposit and send from a MetaMask wallet to the ERC20 wallet shown on the website. And if you don't have GDT, then you click the buy option. You can get GDT from one of these available exchanges. So there's decentralized exchanges like Uniswap and centralized exchanges like Gate.io. If you want to see a full list, then you can visit CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Well, they'll have links to all the exchanges that have GDT. They will be added here very soon as well. And hopefully very soon, anyone in the world can purchase GDT, be able to stake it, and use it on the exchange. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to join our social media channels like Twitter, Telegram, and feel free to ask the community members what kind of staking strategies they're picking, or if you have any questions, we have administrators there that will answer your questions as well. Thanks for watching, and happy staking.